pioneers who have been following the project's journey since its early days. For many, this date represents not just another milestone, but the culmination of years of dedication, patience, and hope. These pioneers have been waiting for years, mining Pi on their phones and building a global community, all in anticipation of this very moment. For the first time, Pi may transition from its enclosed mainnet phase, where coins couldn't be traded or withdrawn, to a more open and accessible network. This shift could fundamentally change how Pi is used and perceived. Recent official updates and regulatory moves have fueled speculation that this is the moment Pi gains real-world trading value. The crypto world is buzzing with rumors and predictions about what will happen next. The Pi core team's focus on compliance, ecosystem growth, and partnerships signals a carefully planned rollout. Their strategy has been to ensure that Pi is ready for mainstream adoption and regulatory scrutiny. Many believe this date will mark the official launch of open trading, especially in the European Union, where regulatory clarity could help Pi gain traction and legitimacy. This could allow pioneers to finally exchange their mined Pi for other cryptocurrencies or fiat money, unlocking real-world value for their efforts and participation. The possibility of Pi being listed on major exchanges is a huge motivator for the community, as it would provide liquidity and global recognition for the project. November 28th is seen as the culmination of years of effort, and the day when the project's true direction will be revealed. It's a turning point that could shape the future of Pi Network. Will the mainnet open? What will Pi's price be? The world is watching for answers, and the outcome could have a ripple effect across the entire crypto industry. The anticipation reflects the massive, hopeful community Pi has built, one that's ready to see if their belief in the project will finally pay off. Section 2. What is Pi Network? A different approach to cryptocurrency. Pi Network is pioneering a new way to bring cryptocurrency into the hands of everyday people, not just those with technical backgrounds or deep pockets. The goal is to make digital currency truly accessible, so anyone with a smartphone can participate in this financial revolution. Unlike Bitcoin and other traditional cryptocurrencies, Pi can be mined directly from your mobile phone with just a simple daily tap. No expensive computers or specialized hardware required. This makes it easy for anyone to get started, regardless of their resources or technical know-how. This low barrier to entry has already attracted millions of users from all corners of the globe, creating a diverse and rapidly growing community. Founded by a team of Stanford graduates, Pi's mission is to distribute digital currency in a fair and inclusive way, aiming to avoid the wealth concentration and exclusivity that marked the early days of crypto. The real value of the network comes from its large, active, and engaged community, who are building the ecosystem together. At present, Pi operates in an enclosed mainnet phase, meaning coins can be used within the Pi ecosystem but cannot yet be traded on external exchanges or converted to other currencies. This approach gives the team time to build essential infrastructure, verify real users, and develop practical utility for the currency before exposing it to the unpredictable open market. New users can only join by invitation, forming trusted security circles that help prevent fake accounts, bots, and hoarding, ensuring a more secure and genuine network. This human-verified, community-driven approach is what truly sets Pi apart from other digital currencies. Pi is designed to be a currency for everyday people, built, secured, and maintained by its users, with the vision of making digital money part of daily life. The hope is that Pi will one day become a truly global digital currency, connecting people everywhere and empowering them financially. Section 3. The European Union opens its doors, regulated trading begins. Tomorrow Pi Network is set to debut on Malta-licensed exchanges like OKX and OKCoin, marking its first regulated trading. This isn't just about a listing, it's about legitimacy and compliance with strict EU financial regulations. PI's MyCA-compliant white paper, released in October, details its security, transparency, and community-based mining model. Unlike many projects, Pi didn't raise funds through an ICO, which appeals to regulators. Achieving MyCA compliance allows Pi to operate legally across all 27 EU member states. This regulatory clarity attracts both users and institutional investors, boosting Pi's perceived value. Direct trading on MyCA-compliant exchanges is a major leap from previous institutional products like the ValorPi ETP. This move sets a precedent for Pi's entry into other regulated markets worldwide. Beyond exchange listings, Pi Network is building real-world utility for its coin. A new partnership with Sidey Games will integrate Pi into Web3 gaming, letting pioneers use Pi for in-game transactions. Sidey Games is developing a suite of games and an HTML5 platform, with APIs for third-party developers to add Pi payments. Pi Network Ventures has taken an equity stake in Sidey Games, showing deep commitment to this initiative. GameFi is a smart move. Gaming drives digital adoption. Other projects, like Mobix's Pi-powered delivery services, are also emerging. The Pi App Studio update now lets developers refine and re-upload their apps, fueling ecosystem growth. These steps show Pi's focus on practical, diverse utility beyond speculation. With November 28th approaching, it's vital to separate official news from rumors. Only trust updates from the Pi app, official website, or verified social channels. Confirmed, the Sidey Games partnership, MyCA-compliant white paper, and EU trading launch on Malta-licensed exchanges. The core team has also warned about passphrase scams. Protect your assets. Rumors, like Pi launching at $314,159 per coin or immediate global open mainnet, are unverified and speculative. Claims of Layer 1 digital asset recognition in the EU are not officially announced. Community excitement is natural, but unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment. Many rumors stem from misinterpretations or hype. The only confirmed step is EU trading, a significant but focused milestone. Wait for direct core team announcements before believing widespread rumors. Stay grounded in facts to avoid costly mistakes. As Pi gains more attention and popularity, scammers are increasingly targeting users, especially those who are new to cryptocurrency or unaware of common tricks. Their main goal is to steal your wallet passphrases and gain access to your funds. Your passphrase is the master key to your Pi wallet. Never share it with anyone, not even with people you trust or those claiming to be from the Pi core team. The core team will never ask for your passphrase. Ignore anyone who does, no matter how official they seem. Scammers create fake websites, emails, and even social media accounts to trick you into giving up your credentials. Always double-check before entering sensitive information. Pi's non-custodial wallet means you alone control your funds and your security. No one else can recover your wallet if you lose access. If your passphrase is compromised, your Pi is gone forever. There's no recovery or customer support that can help you get it back. If you suspect a breach, act quickly. Create a new wallet and transfer your funds immediately to keep them safe. Always verify website URLs, look for the official Pi Network domain, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unknown files. Store your passphrase offline, such as on paper or a secure USB drive, not on your phone, computer, or in cloud storage. Be wary of unsolicited messages, friend requests, or offers that seem too good to be true. Only use official Pi channels and apps downloaded from trusted sources to avoid falling for scams. Practicing these habits and staying informed protects your hard-earned Pi and gives you peace of mind. Stay vigilant. Security is your responsibility, and your actions make all the difference. While EU trading and partnerships are positive, Pi faces economic challenges, especially token unlocks. Token unlocks release previously frozen coins into circulation, increasing supply and potential sell pressure. In November alone, 145 million Pi tokens were unlocked, with 173 million more coming in December. This surge in supply could push prices down if not matched by new demand. Early holders may sell to take profits, as seen by rising exchange balances. The key question: can new adoption and utility absorb this supply? Partnerships like Sidey Games and EU Trading aim to boost demand. The core team's wallets, holding over 71 billion tokens, remain inactive, a positive sign. The market faces a major test as these unlocks hit. Long-term stability depends on balancing supply with real-world utility. Pi's IOU token price recently surged 6% to 0.25, driven by anticipation of EU trading. This price action stands out, as the broader crypto market was declining. Pi's value is currently driven by project-specific news, not overall market trends. However, IOU trading volume is modest, around $30 million daily, so prices are easily swayed. The real market price will emerge only when mainnet trading opens to all users. Optimism is high, but caution remains due to upcoming token unlocks and potential sell-offs. The next few weeks will test whether new demand can balance increased supply. Watch how the market reacts to official news and trading activity. True price discovery will come with broader, more liquid trading. As Pi approaches a turning point, patience and caution are essential for pioneers. The project's journey is a marathon, not a sprint. November 28th is just one milestone. Rely only on official information from the Pi app and verified channels. Avoid hype, rumors, and unrealistic price predictions. Wait for clear guidance on mainnet status and trading procedures. Protect your wallet passphrase, never share it, and beware of scams. Manage your assets only through official apps and regulated exchanges. Celebrate progress, but keep a long-term perspective. Building a global currency takes time. There will be challenges and uncertainty, but the community's patience is its strength. Support the network, participate in the ecosystem, and follow the official roadmap. The future of Pi depends on its community, and patience will unlock its true potential.